The function f is defined by, for x belongs to R, express f of x in the form. You need to express f of x in this form. So whichever you have to express, equate both. This needs to be expressed in this form, so what you do, equate these two. So that is f of x is equal to a times x minus b whole square minus c. This is step 1. Express means equate both of them. Next, in place of f of x, what will you write? Given is this. So f of x given is 2x square minus 12x plus 7 is equal to a into x minus b whole square minus 7. Okay. Now, I need to find the value of these constants and write your answer in this form. That is when the sum is done. Okay. Now, how do I find the values of the constants a, b and c? See here. First, I need to expand this bracket by using the formula a minus b whole square. So what is a minus b whole square? It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. In place of a, you have x. In place of b, it is b only. So a square is x square, b square is b square minus 2ab. In place of a, x. In place of b, b minus c. Okay. Next step, multiply with a. So that will result in a x square plus a b square minus 2abx minus c. On this side, whatever you have, write it down. Plus 7. Now, I will do comparing coefficients on both sides. That will result in the values of a, b and c. Clear? Compare coefficients on both sides. That will lead you to get the values of a, b and c. Let us see here how it's done. First, look at before x square, what do you have on this side? 2. Equate it to before x square, whatever you have on the other side. On the other side, before x square is a, so a is equal to 2. Clear? Now, same way is x coefficient. Before x, what do you have? Minus 12. If it is plus, not necessary, but if you have a negative sign you should put. Okay. Now, same way, before x, what do you have on the other side? This is x term, this is the coefficient of x, that is minus 2ab. Okay. We know the value of a. From here, replace it. Cancel out minus and minus. So 12 equal to 2 times a is 2 and b is b. So b is nothing but 12 by, send this 4 to the other side. So that will give the b value to be 3. Okay. Now, what is left out? Or compare the constants now. This is the constant on this side. What is the constant on the other side? Other side constant is this one and also this one. Many forget that c, but you should not forget. So the constants on the other side are ab square minus c. Clear? Compare x square coefficient, x coefficient and comparing constants. Now, I know the values of a and b. So, replace it here. A is 2, b is 3. So, 3 square is 9, 9 into 2 is 18, minus c is 7. So, now to get the c value, take this minus c to this side. So, plus c, and take 7 to this side. So, minus 7. So, 18 minus 7 is 11. So, c value is 11. Once we got all the values, we should express in the form whatever he is asking. So, our final answer will be this. In place of A, 2. In place of B, 3. In place of C, 11. So, he told us to express in this form. So, this is your last step and this is the answer. Okay.